Let's make some Amish bread. Three cups of flour. Bread. We're using bread flour. 3 cups of bread flour. Now you're going to need 1/8 cup of oil. Okay, sugar. We got 1/4 of a cup of sugar and 1/8 of a cup of sugar. 1 cup of warm water, at least 110 degrees. 1 tablespoon of yeast. Okay, in here, 1 tablespoon of sugar. That gives the yeast something to eat. Okay, you're going to let that sit for 10 minutes. You gotta let your yeast at least be warm. Your water be warm. Because if you don't, it's going to take a long time for it to work. Okay, in our flour mixture, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. Make a well in the middle for your yeast when it gets ready. Okay, it's already frothy. See how it is? That's what you need it to do. Okay, let's pour our yeast in here. Get all that. Don't leave none of it. Make sure your hands is very, very clean and dig in. You're going to have to knead this for 8 to 10 minutes. I think it's going to need a little bit more water, you all. I usually don't have to do that with bread. Well, we got to get all these out here too, so let's do it a little bit more. We put 1 tablespoon. Let's see what we got. I think it was just good enough. Okay, we're going to need this for 8 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. You can do it in your bowl or not in your bowl. It don't matter. Okay, y'all don't need to see me knead it the whole 8 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. It's tacky but not sticking to your hands. Okay, we're going to let this rise for 1 hour in a warm spot. Cover it up with a towel and let it double in size. Okay, we're getting ready to get our bread out of the oven where it's rising, and then we'll start from there. Okay, we got a 1/2 cup of flour. Bread flour is what we're using. And we're just going to put enough on here to keep it from sticking. Here's our bread. Okay, we're going to start rolling it up. Getting ready for the oven. You got to let it rise again. Now you could cut this and shape it into little rolls or whatever if you want to. You make all kinds of stuff with this same dough. Donuts, you name it. With this same dough. Okay, we got our pans. Bread pans. Okay, I'm going to spray mine and then flour it. Okay, we're going to let it rise in this pan for 45 minutes. In a warm spot. It's been 30 minutes. 45 minutes, It's been 45 minutes and this is what our bread looks like. Now we're going to heat our oven up at 350. It's going to look good, ain't it? And we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. And then we'll take it out and put some melted butter on it. We got it in the oven now. We'll wait 30 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, let's put some melted butter on it. Let it melt, the butter. Hope that looked good. It smells like a bakery in here. Okay, we're gonna let this cool off and then we'll be back to test the piece. Okay, it's cooled off enough where we can taste it. Here's what it looks like. It's soft. You gotta try this bread. It's good. Yum. Better than store-bought bread. Hmm. Oh my God, that is so good. Thanks for watching.